Hi everyone, this lesson is about leaving from a parallel parked space. So I'm parallel parked. There's a vehicle in front of me, there's a vehicle behind. So the first thing, well, the car's already started, so I put the gear selector to reverse because we need space in order to get out. We don't want to hit that vehicle. So you look over your right shoulder and back up until you have sufficient room to go. Now that's good. So we place the gear selector to drive. And by the way, when backing up, you don't have to use the gas pedal, especially if you're on a flat surface. Just by putting the vehicle in reverse, that should give it enough momentum to go back so you have enough space to leave. So we put it in drive, signal to the left, and we can do a turn to the left, one revolution, and then when we start to move, we can do the rest. And just keep checking over the left shoulder to make sure it's safe to leave. We're out, so we recover, and we're done. We're gone. Thanks for watching.